Hello and welcome back everybody. So how you can schedule a service for restart and other things, okay? So how you can schedule a service in Windows system. So how we can do that? Open the service, okay? So open the start bar and search here service. Okay, open the service icon. Here you can see there are lots of services, okay? So I'll select the service. It's called Windows Update, okay? Windows Update. Let's see, right click on this service and you can go to properties, okay? So go with properties, click on properties. Here you can see there are lots of options. Go to recovery option, okay? Recovery option. Okay, here we can see there are lots of options. First, failure, okay, restart the service, okay, so these are services are dependencies and log on. Okay, let's talk about the recovery option. So in this recovery option we can schedule our service, okay. So suppose that if I want to restart this service, okay, it's automatically restart and second failure note action, okay, subsequent request. And this you can see reset fail after 1 day and restart service after 1 minute, okay. So this is a count. I can change the 1 day to 2 days and 2 days here. So this way it works, okay. So we can schedule our service for any action, okay. You can just just you can see restart the service, run the program and restart the computer, okay. So there are lots of things you can do here. So that's it for today and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for being here and bye.